Imagine a plane soaring silently through the sky for 3 whole days, 72 hours, powered by nothing more than its own self-sustaining energy system. No fuel stops, no emissions, just pure innovation and engineering brilliance. Welcome to the future of flight. And at the heart of this breakthrough is none other than Maxwell's revolutionary self-powered aircraft. For more than a century, we've dreamed of breaking the limits of flight endurance. From the Wright brothers to the first jet engines and solar-powered drones, every chapter in aviation has been a step toward this very moment. A moment where a plane can fly almost endlessly without relying on traditional fuel. And now, Maxwell's self-sustaining aircraft has shattered those barriers. This isn't just another plane. It's an engineering masterpiece. Powered by an advanced energy-harvesting propulsion system and ultra-efficient aerodynamics, the plane captures and recycles its own energy, allowing it to cruise at altitude far longer than any traditional aircraft. But it didn't happen overnight. Years of tireless research, countless prototypes, and cutting-edge breakthroughs in energy storage all had to come together for Maxwell's vision to take off. With its maiden endurance flight, Maxwell's self-powered plane stayed aloft for a staggering 72 hours, flying continuously through storms and sunshine, across time zones, and proving that a new chapter of green aviation is already here. Imagine the implications. Commercial airlines powered by sustainable energy, surveillance and research drones with unlimited endurance, humanitarian and rescue missions going farther than ever before, all without burning a drop of fuel. Maxwell's historic feat is more than a record-breaking flight. It's a bold glimpse into a future where endurance, sustainability, and innovation come together to redefine what's possible in the skies. And this is only the beginning. If you're as excited as we are about this breakthrough in aviation history, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us explore next. And Maxwell isn't stopping at 72 hours. Rumors inside the industry hint at new prototypes already in development, designs that could double or even triple that endurance. Engineers are fine-tuning every tiny detail, from lighter composites and high-efficiency turbines to next-generation energy storage cells, all pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Imagine a world where long-distance flights don't need to stop for refueling, where transoceanic travel could become truly nonstop, and commercial flights glide silently across the globe powered by sustainable energy. Picture cargo planes delivering urgent supplies halfway around the world without a single layover. Picture air taxis hovering above busy cities with zero emissions, powered endlessly by self-sustaining engines. And it's not just commercial aviation that's going to benefit. Emergency response teams, scientific research missions, even deep space aerial observatories, all stand to gain from this leap in endurance. With every mile traveled and every hour spent in the air, Maxwell's innovation is paving the way for an entirely new aerial economy. And the story is far from over. Testing will continue. Data will be gathered. Lessons will be learned as this revolutionary craft takes its next big leap toward the future. Every flight from here on is another chapter in aviation history being written right before our eyes. One thing is clear. Maxwell's self-sustaining plane is not just a record breaker. It's a glimpse into tomorrow, where flight endurance meets sustainability. And as the skies welcome this new era, one thing's for sure, the future of flight is limitless. Stay tuned, subscribe, and follow us on this exciting journey as we continue to explore the next big breakthroughs in aviation. What's next? Only time will tell. And up here, time is no longer a limitation. Behind the scenes, Maxwell's team is already working around the clock, and they're not alone. Major aerospace companies and energy research labs worldwide have taken notice, pushing innovation at an unprecedented pace. Researchers are collaborating across continents to explore how this self-sustaining technology can scale up, scale down, and integrate into existing aircraft designs. And it's not just the engineering teams pushing boundaries. Industry analysts predict that if these energy harvesting systems keep evolving at this rate, we could see commercial flights powered entirely by sustainable energy within a decade, eliminating the need for traditional jet fuel forever. Cargo giants are already piloting small-scale tests to transport goods across long-haul routes with zero emissions. Even military agencies are eyeing this as the future for long-endurance reconnaissance and rescue operations. And that's only the beginning. Some researchers are going even further, Imagining a network of autonomous, self-sustaining drones that can stay aloft for weeks, collecting data about climate patterns, supporting disaster relief missions, or even delivering life-saving supplies to the most remote places on Earth. This technology is rewriting the rules of what flight can achieve. Every innovation opens the door to new possibilities. And as these self-powered craft grow faster, smarter, and more efficient, they'll begin to shrink distances like never before, creating a future where energy-efficient long-haul travel is accessible to all. Sustainable skies, global connectivity, and ultra-long endurance operations will come together to form the new backbone of aviation. For Maxwell and his team, 72 hours was only a milestone, the first of many. Every new flight is a test bed. Every design iteration a step closer to rewriting what's possible above the clouds. And as we look ahead, one thing is clear. This is just the start of a revolution that will redefine not only endurance in flight, but also our entire relationship with the skies. Stay with us as we follow this incredible story, where innovation knows no limits and the future of aviation is unfolding in real time. Subscribe to join the journey, because the next chapter is going to be even more spectacular. And the breakthroughs won't stop there. Right now, simulations are running 24/7 as Maxwell's team explores even more radical concepts, designs that could allow these self-sustaining planes to tap into solar, wind, and atmospheric energy sources mid-flight, essentially recharging as they cruise across the globe. Every hour of flight is an opportunity to test these ideas, tweaking algorithms and materials so that one day these craft can truly fly indefinitely. This future is built layer by layer, with ultralight composites, next-gen batteries that store energy more efficiently than anything on the market today, and AI-driven systems that adjust the plane's behavior in real time to maximize endurance. It's a delicate dance of engineering and nature, where every component must work in perfect harmony. Imagine a plane that doesn't just survive turbulence, it thrives on it, that extracts energy from temperature differences in the atmosphere, that glides across the jet stream to cover thousands of miles with minimal power consumption. That's where this technology is heading. And with every mile traveled and every obstacle faced, we gain a clearer picture of a future where endurance is limitless. A future where one plane can circle the globe without ever refueling. A future where commercial travel is powered by the very air it flies through. This is more than a single innovation. It's the blueprint for an entirely new age of aviation. And Maxwell's team? They're just getting started. And what's truly remarkable is that the technology isn't limited to a single aircraft. Researchers are already imagining a new generation of airplanes equipped with ultra-thin solar membranes seamlessly integrated into their fuselage, allowing them to continuously harvest light, even at high altitudes where the sun shines stronger and longer. And that's just one path being explored. Other teams are working on harnessing air currents and vibrations, using tiny turbines and piezoelectric materials to capture energy from every gust and flex. Even the heat generated by friction as the plane slices through the atmosphere could soon be recycled, transforming every inch of the aircraft into a power source. And that data, the real-time balancing of energy in and energy out, is becoming the key to unlocking true perpetual flight. With AI-driven systems adjusting pitch, altitude, and engine output hundreds of times per second, Maxwell's aircraft can fine-tune its course for maximum energy efficiency. Every micro-adjustment buys more endurance. Every innovation pushes the horizon just a bit further. And the most exciting part? This is not theoretical anymore. Behind closed doors, new prototypes have already stayed airborne for even longer stretches, inching closer to a future where landing may become optional. And so, as Maxwell's self-sustaining aircraft glides into the dawn of a new era, one thing is certain. This isn't just an achievement for one company, one team, or one plane. It's a bold declaration that the future of flight will be powered by innovation, resilience, and a refusal to accept yesterday's limits. With every hour aloft, Maxwell and his team are redefining what's possible, proving that endurance is no longer measured in fuel tanks, but in human ambition and the drive to go further. And as the skies open up before us, one thing is clearer than ever. The future of aviation has taken flight, and its journey has only just begun. Thanks for joining us on this historic journey. If you're as excited about the future of flight as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more stories of innovation, and let us know in the comments. Where do you think aviation will take us next?